Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to share a fish recipe with you all because I am getting so many requests for a fish recipe. So I thought let's make a video of it. So it's a very popular Bengali fish curry and today I am making shol mach alu diye rosha or snakehead fish curry with potato. It's a semi gravy based fish curry. So let's get started. So first marinate the fish pieces with turmeric powder and salt for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then in a pan or kadai add mustard oil, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'll suggest try to make this recipe in mustard oil. Once the oil is smoky hot, add all the marinated fish pieces and fry them until a nice golden brown color on each side. It completely depends on you that how much you want to fry your fish pieces. I love little bit brown color on my fish. If you don't want that much frying your fish, you can completely skip it. So when the fish pieces are done with frying, take them out from the pan and keep them aside. In the same pan, fry your potato pieces, and when they are done, take them out from the pan and keep them aside along with fried fish pieces. In the same pan, add dry red chili, bay leaves, cumin seeds and whole garam masala and saute for around 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, add chopped onions. Here I am using one medium sized onion. And fry them until they are little caramelized. After few minutes, add grated onion and tomato. Here I am using another one medium sized onion and two small sized tomatoes grated together. You can use onion and tomato paste as well because of the gravy consistency. Then add 3 to 4 slitted green chili or as per your taste. And now add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and mix everything well. This garlic ginger onion tomato needs to fry for few minutes. Meanwhile, we will make a dry spices mix. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and then salt and sugar as per your taste. Then add water and mix everything well. Here I have used Himalayan pink salt and brown sugar. You can use normal salt and sugar as well. Then add this mixture to the pan and mix everything well. Add your fried potato pieces into this and mix everything well and cook in medium-high heat until oil separates from the masala. And now I am using Maggi hot and sweet tomato sauce into this, but it's completely optional, you can skip it. All you need is to koshanu the mosla, that means slowly sauteed and fried with splash of hot water until oil separates completely. As you can see, oil has separated. Now I am gonna add around 2 cups of hot water and mix everything well. And when water starts bubbling, turn the heat to low and cover it with a lid and cook until potatoes are nicely cooked. After 10 to 12 minutes, open the lid and check the potatoes. When they completely cooked, add your fried fish pieces into the gravy and mix everything well. So now I am gonna finishing it off with a teaspoon of roasted garam masala powder and turn off the heat and mix everything well and cover it with a lid for 2 minutes. As you can see, my shol mach aloo diye rosha or snake head fish with potato curry is absolutely ready. Please give it a try guys and let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends because there will be a lots of recipes coming over soon. Till then, take care everyone, stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.